In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Maps for trip planning. If you're planning a day out or a multi-stop road trip, Google Maps makes it simple to lay everything out in advance so you can travel with confidence. Start by opening Google Maps on your computer or in the mobile app. Being signed in helps keep your plans handy across devices, but it isn't required. If you allow location access, Maps can use your current position to speed things up, especially when you're already on the go. Once Maps is open, look for the Directions button. It's the icon that opens the route panel and tells Maps you want to plan a route rather than just browse the map. After you open Directions, you'll see two main fields appear. In the top field, enter your starting point. Maps can use your current location, or you can type a specific address, a landmark, or even a business name. As you type, suggestions will appear. Choosing one helps avoid typos and ensures the correct city or neighborhood is selected. If multiple places share a name, glance at the small details in the suggestions to pick the right one. Next, enter your destination in the second field. This could be a hotel, a park, or any exact address. Right away, the map will draw one or more possible routes and show an estimated travel time based on live traffic and typical conditions. You'll usually see alternatives highlighted on the map so you can visually compare them and choose the one that best fits your timing or preferred roads. To build a proper trip plan with multiple locations, use Add Stop to include other places. Each stop is a point you intend to visit on the way, like a coffee shop, a viewpoint, or a lunch break. Add as many as you need to reflect your day. The order of these stops matters because it shapes the path Maps will take between them. And as you adjust your list of stops, the route and timing preview will update to reflect the new sequence. With your start, destination, and any extra stops entered, you now have a clear, optimized overview of your trip. Take a moment to review the timing, look over the map for any busy areas, and make sure the plan matches your priorities. When you're satisfied, you're ready to go, with Google Maps guiding you smoothly from one stop to the next.